Okay, so show me what you have right there.
Okay, this is the controller.
Okay.
This communicates with the drone.
Okay.
This helps control the drone up and down and in a circle.
Okay.
This makes it fly forwards, backwards, to the right, or to the left.
Okay, great.
There's a camera shutter here where I can take the photos that I want.
Okay.
And it'll show up everything that I take, shows up onto my cell phone.
All right, well, I'm going to go ahead and stop this and let's see that drone go up.
You got it.
Okay, so I'm going to show you the drone. Here it goes. It's like a big mosquito. Kind of cool, right? All right, here it goes. Go ahead.